Dad brought Mono over here. This is Michi's dog. He went on a fishing trip, so he's like, can you watch her? And I'm like, okay, I'll try. She's a good dog though, running around. She's older, so she really just lays around all day anyway. She doesn't really make a lot of noise. She's kind of like a cat. A crazy weekend is upon us once again over here in Chicagoland. A lot of running around to do today. Lots of people in town. Lots of picnics and barbecues. It's gonna be a lot of hanging out. I'm gonna try to get to everything I was invited to, but I can't make any promises. So today is just starting off with us waking up late. We slept in because Ann had an issue last night sleeping. She woke up at 3 in the morning wanting to drink milk and cry and slap me and all that stuff. So we did not get much sleep last night. So we slept in. We didn't wake up until like 9:30. I'm about to get a quick workout in, and then we're gonna hit the streets and see if we can get some of these errands ran before the weekend starts. You want one of your books? Ann tries to climb up on the chair here so that she can reach these books. That's why I figure once we get the house, we are not gonna have this shelf high like this. We're gonna have it like down at the floor level so that she can get her own books, because the climbing on the chair trying to get the book thing is freaking me out. Right now, this is Ann's favorite book, The Baby's on the Bus. I mean, she just goes nuts over this thing. It has to do with like the interactive nature of the book. So like you're supposed to like use your finger and go through the motions that they have illustrated here. Like, she just loves doing this. Mono, keep an eye on Ann while I work out, okay? The only thing I'm trying to figure out this weekend is what I'm gonna do with my hair, man. It's a disaster. It's gonna be a ponytail kind of weekend because I don't have time. Took the little pup for a walk. Can you stick this in your pocket, please? All this stuff, brother. Bootleg poop picker-upper. Even though people around here don't pick up the damn poop, but we do. All right, Ann, are you ready? She still got on her PJs. I just got done working out. I just threw this t-shirt on real quick. I'm like, let me just walk this dog real quick before I start my day. So I'm out here looking a mess. And I'm like, we might as well put Ann on the swing since we're out here. Come on, Annie boo. I see you. She's gonna go right for that slide. She loves the slide or the swing. Yeah. Are you ready? Ready, set, go. Go. Girl, we out here in our PJs. Savage. Hey, Mono. What's up, girl? All done. All done. Okay. Ready, set.
Hey. Hey.
All Ann does is eat the bread and then doesn't eat the food that we actually ordered. Oh yeah, you know it. You know it. He's got his salad. Then we wanted to try these martinis, these watermelon martinis. Here, Ann, let's color some more. Let's color. Girl, I'm stopping over here at this Rainbow. About to get me a cheap little sundress for tonight. Okay, don't tell nobody else I'm in here. So this is what I got from Rainbow, you guys. First of all, let's look at this receipt. This is why I do stuff like Rainbow. Realizing that I probably will only be able to wear this once. But you see that total? $17 with tax for 2 items. So let me show you guys what I got. I mean, with these kind of stores, you really just have to take your time. You will find something cute eventually, and it won't look all cheap and stuff, but you have to give yourself time to look through it and make sure you are happy with it. So this top reminds me of something that Michi would have picked out with the bell sleeves. It's cropped. Went ahead and got a medium because I felt like having it be a little bit roomy and a little larger than what I would normally get, would make it fit better as far as like the bell shape and the crop and all that. So got that one. I'll probably wear this with some high waist denim, maybe some ripped jeans or something, I don't know. This will be good for tonight since it's gonna likely cool off tonight. That's not a good look for like the daytime because it's so hot. Really, I just went for the one thing, but I also saw this and I thought this would be cool. I like the color and I like the print on the front. So yeah, I could see myself wearing this with like some Nike leggings or something like that in all black. Hey you guys, I just got dressed. I did my little bun, put on some lashes, a little bit of eyeshadow, just enough to kind of wake up that eye a little bit, add some drama since I didn't really do a lot to my hair. Pretty much just took a shower, did like a co-wash type of thing and just combed it all the way up into a bun because I really didn't want to be bothered. I mean, it's really hot outside, so hopefully the makeup will hold up, which reminds me I need to spray some finishing spray on it. Oh, it got wet. You guys, I'm really loving the fit of this top and it's so comfortable, like, oh my goodness, rainbow. So this is just how the top came out. These are the jeans that I'm wearing and I'm gonna put on some shoes. And I need to show you guys these earrings. Aren't they so cute? The little skulls, love them. They got the little bows on them to make them female, I guess. Yeah, throw that crap away. We came to the gas station. I am on E. Anthony's gonna pump it. You guys, I am so comfortable in this damn shirt. Like, I feel so grateful to be this comfortable headed to a party. Like, it doesn't even make sense. I'm probably being extra as fuck about it, but I'm just being honest. I'm so comfortable. I was just telling him, like, I feel great. I have my water, girl. We are ready for the evening. So where are we going? So my best friend Martina is in town. So she has been celebrating her birthday all month long. So we are on our way to a bowling situation. Let me hit the gas door for him. So she invited everyone out to go bowling tonight. And then afterwards, I think we're probably gonna go to a party or something, I don't know, but that's what this is all about for Martina's birthday. Her birthday was the 1st. Today is the 13th. It's kind of annoying, but I'm just going with it. No, girl, it's candid. It's video. Oh, doesn't she look so pretty? Oh my goodness. Is that what you think this is all about? Can't stand y'all. Are people signing this?
Yeah.
You get to take this home with you?
Ain't it so special?
It is. It's super heavy though.
I know.
It's gonna put your bag over the weight limit going back home.
I know. I got something for you too, but it's at the house.
Okay. Hey guys. Hey honey. Good. Nice to see you.
I'm gonna go with this one. And
my daughter's 20 months.
Too. Oh, really? Yes. And they 22? And she still has the great eyes?
Yes.
Wonderful.
Yep.
I hope hers don't change.
I don't think so. They look like my daughter's were, so they might not. I don't think so. I feel like Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood putting these damn shoes on. Black people always think you're trying to take a picture of them when you're trying to record them. They always be like,
I'm trying to get a picture of mine.
like it's a video. It never fails. Oh, thank you. Oh.
I'm not. All right, on 3, Wolverines. 1, 2, 3. Wolverines.
Had so much fun last night. It's still early in the morning, even though Ann is not here. I still ended up waking up early anyway because that's just how my sleep is programmed now. Anthony just left to go get a haircut and I'm just having some coffee. I'm trying to figure out what's going on today because I woke up to a rainstorm and there are supposed to be multiple picnics happening today. So hopefully the rain will subside at least by the afternoon so that we can still indulge in picnic shenanigans because I was really looking forward to it. And you guys, so I had a bun in my hair yesterday, and anytime I do my hair in a bun, this is how I go to sleep. I pretty much just loosen the tie on the bun and I just go to sleep. I do not do anything else. I don't even wrap my hair anymore. A haircut may or may not be on the horizon. Let's see. I just do not have time for hair anymore. I had no idea becoming a mom would change me in this way, but I am really looking to minimize all of the complex things in my life so that I can focus on my daughter and my husband and what's going on under our roof. The things that cause me to take up more time unnecessarily has got to go. And so if that means hair and stuff like that, then bye-bye baby. This is turning into like a coffee chat. I feel like I have you guys over for coffee right now and I'm just kind of talking about my life. But anyway, I don't know what to do with myself. Anne is not here. I'm just sitting here like, should I polish my nails? I pulled out my little nail kit here with my little stuff in here. You know, so I might do my nails real quick. You guys want to see Armani's little setup here? I pulled out Anne's play yard and I'm like, girl, get in there. So I pulled out one of the little old blankets and I got her little feeding trays. Little sweet doggy. She's such a sweetie. You know how dogs can take on the personalities of their owners? I feel like that is so true because if she does not have Michi's like disposition, I don't know what is. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to see what I'm about to make for breakfast real quick. I was trying to debate if I should just order something from off of DoorDash because I have a bunch of DoorDash credits because a bunch of you guys signed up. And when you sign up using my DoorDash link, we both win. So you guys get money off your order, I get money off my future orders. Everybody wins. So if you guys want to sign up for DoorDash, make sure you use my link so that you can get that money off and then I can get money off too. And girl, we can just get over on DoorDash real quick. I'll put the link below.
You know, working, which I still gotta work tonight on like some networking shit.
You got to kick it. It's my soror, Foxy Roxy, you know what I'm saying? They ain't ready. We got the bottled water on deck. Anthony over here chilling. We got some 1800. I just realized it was coconut flavor. No wonder it tastes so good with the fruit punch. So we got some 1800 coconut. You know what I'm saying? I got the little bun on deck. It stopped raining. It's still wet outside though, still a little humid. So, you know, you gotta put the hair up. I got on my little jumpsuit, my little velour pantsuit from Urban Outfitters. Stephanie's arrived.
Finally.
The late boo.
I'm sorry. Chi-town, summertime shy.
She showed up with the portable wine cup with a metal straw.
At your local Charming Charlie for a small price of too much money.
Oh, it says Thug Life. I didn't even notice that. That's so fun.
Yeah. I saw it and I was like, I was going out of business, so I was like, okay, I get it for Claire. Hey.
Snapchat.
Hey, Snap. What's up?
We need some music.
We're in the background talking about the
I know we can't be turned with no mute, right?
I can't be doing
And can you give us something? Just a quick little on the.
Can we get some Drake
On the outside.
or like After Dark?
Yeah. Okay. Actually, yeah. A girl needs free. Hey, y'all ain't got the mellow.
Summertime shine, the pool is in the building. We about to hit the streets. Y'all know what that means.
Mars. Okay, we've arrived to the picnic and we're just gonna get out of the Uber. This is our cool Uber driver, Sheaf.
Yeah.
So he said thank you.
No, thank you, sweetheart.
And so this is the picnic. Oh, it's kind of popping a little bit. It's kind of busting a little bit, you know? I might be a little too tipsy, low key.
Wait, what's the dog over there?
So, Stephanie, get your ass over here.
Sexy ass.
Get your sexy ass over here, poodle.
You about to be famous.
You did tell him that. She was like, my ship has 100,000 followers. You're gonna be instant famous. He was like, thank you. So proper and polite. Okay, y'all, we at the Kappa picnic.
I'm to mix some tequila with.
Justin. Oh. It's all my Mighty Gamma Up guys over here.
We got cups and shit.
I'm so old, I don't know nobody. I feel like I'm so old, I don't know anybody anymore. I'm like, who are these new guys? I crossed an 03. Immediately, I get Patron or no, tequila. This is what they do. Foxy said we need to meet the new breeds. What's going on, guys? Wait, what year did you guys cross?
Spring 18.
For some perspective, we're spring 03. Right, spring 03.
One glass of Patron to smash in its own, and I dash right back to the pad where I zone. Got a stash collection, double packs that I own. When I break them out, sneaker head.